Welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we will look into the questions from the chapter called Introduction to Trigonometry. Hello friends, may I request you to please click on the subscribe button below this video.
The given question is express cot 85 degree plus cos 75 degree in terms of trigonometric ratios of angles between 0 degree and 45 degree. So what is being asked in the question? The question is asking us to express cot 85 degree plus cos 75 degree in terms of trigonometric ratios of angles between 0 degree and 45 degree. That means we need to convert this 85 degree and 75 degree and put our result in such a way that is between 0 degree and 45 degree. So let's see how we are moving or what we are doing. The given question or the expression is cot 85 degree plus cos 75 degree. Cot 85 degree plus cos 75 degree, guys. And guys, always we should understand the relationship between these things with 90 degree. From 90 degree where this 85 degree is, and from 90 degree where this 75 degree is. Like if you see 85 degree, what it is? It is 90 minus 5. 85 is nothing but 90 minus 5. Similarly, 75 is nothing but 90 minus 15. 90 degree minus 15 degree. So keeping this thing in view, what I can write? I can write cot 85 degree. Just I am going to modify these things into 90 minus 5. Cot 85 degree plus cos 75 degree is equal to cot 90 degree minus 5. Just I converted to two parts and compared it with 90. Plus similarly I can write this one as cos what I can write? I can write this one as cos 90 minus 15 degree. 90 degree minus 15 degree. This is what I did. Now let us put this one as equation number 1. Okay guys, we very well know that what we know that cot 90 degree minus theta is equal to tan theta. Similarly guys, one thing we know that cot 90 degree minus theta is equal to tan theta. Or if theta is equal to 5 degree, then we can put this expression as cot 90 degree minus 5 degree is equal to tan 5 degree. This is what we are getting, and let it be equation number A. Let it be A. Now what we did, just we know that cot 90 degree minus 30 degree. Why I am thinking about cot 90 degree minus 30 degree? Because here we got cot 90 degree minus 5 degree. For that reason only I am thinking about cot 90 degree minus theta. So we know that cot 90 degree minus theta is equal to tan theta. If theta is equal to 5 degree, then cot 90 degree minus 5 degree is equal to tan 5 degree. Similarly, we know that sine 90 degree minus theta is equal to, similarly we know that sine 90 degree minus this should have been in other way, because above if you look here we have cos. So I should have taken cos 90 degree minus theta is equal to, we know that what we know cos 90 degree minus theta is equal to sin theta. When theta is equal to 15 degree, we can write that expression as cos 90 degree minus 15 degree is equal to sin 15 degree. Let this be equation number B. So we got cos 90 degree minus 15 degree is equal to sin 15 degree. Now I can write equation 1 as Now I can write equation 1 as what I can write? I can write equation 1 as, equation 1 is what? Cot 90 degree minus 5 degree, cot 90 degree minus 5 degree plus cos 90 degree minus 15 degree. This is equation 1. So this one I can write, instead of cot 90 degree minus 5 degree, I can write tan 5 degree plus sine 15 degree. This is what I can write. And guys, you could see this 5 degree and 15 degree, this lies between 0 and 45. That means if you look at the question says that express cot 85 degree plus cos 75 degree in terms of trigonometric ratios of angles between 0 degree and 45 degree. So this 90 degree, so this 5 degree and this 15 degree lies between 0 degree and 45 degree. Hope guys you understood this calculation or this process. This is very simple and very straightforward, but we need to remember the trigonometric identities or trigonometric table, whatever is required, we should remember by this time. With those things we can prove our calculations. Guys, if you still have any doubts or confusions, please reach out to me in the comment section of this video. Definitely I will get back to you once I see your comments. Guys, if you really like my videos, please subscribe.
If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.